Hi, this pivot table is got data here on employees, a location, and the sex of the employee. As you notice, this is a little bit different than other pivot tables that we've done, as there's no numeric data in the table. But we can still do a pivot table. We'll use counts instead of sum. So I'm putting my cursor in one of the cells and then going to Insert and Pivot Table. It already has a range defined, and so we have employees. So I want to bring down location because I want to show the number of employees by location, and I'm going to bring location down again. So right here we have a simple count of the number of employees at each location. I'm going to have columns and put in sex, so we have the gender for each. I want to add one more column showing the percentage of employees in grand total by location. So I'm going to bring location down again. On the second one, I want to click on the drop down and go to this very last setting, Value Field Settings. And I want to go to the second tab of Show Values As. And I'm going to change it to percentage of grand total. By doing that, we've added a percentage. Notice that we have 100% for the grand total rather than 100% per column. So I want to make a couple changes to make it look a little bit cleaner. I'm going to right click on one of the numbers in the percentage column. I'm going to change the format to just 1 decimal, just to make it look a little bit neater. I also don't like our headings, so I'm going to say number of employees, and then just a simple PCT for percent. And notice that it changes for all of them. I'm also going to go here to the Analyze toolbar and delete the field headers, just to make it look a little bit neater. Alright, the last thing we notice is that we have 3 states, Arizona, California, and Washington on the west coast, Massachusetts, New York, and Pennsylvania on the east. So let's group those into 2 groups. So I'm going to click on Arizona, Control click on Arizona, hold down the Control and click on Washington. I'm going to move my mouse over one of those. I'm going to right click and say Group. I'm going to do the same, but I'm going to click on Massachusetts, the one that is not bolded, hold down the Control key and click on New York and Pennsylvania. Once again, right click and Group. And I must have clicked on one of the wrong ones, so I'm going to try that again. I'm going to click on Massachusetts. I'm going to Shift or Control and click on New York and Pennsylvania. And there we go. The first time I just must have had my mouse on the wrong area. I want to name this first one, rather than Group 1, West region, and the next one, East region. And let's go ahead and add subtotals. So I want to add subtotals at the bottom of the group, and I want to add a blank row. So I do those from the design bar. I also want to add a style. So I can go here and select a style. Since we are at UNI, I'm going to select a purple, and there we go. It adds a style, automatically puts in some shading that makes it look nice. Alright, that's the end of this problem.